That's Arctic front that is moving through the upper Midwest now. We'll get to the south. Along the way, we'll deposit some snow across the upper Midwest. And you can see there's that Arctic front on the move today, tonight, and tomorrow, moving through Chicago, parts of downstate Illinois, central Missouri. And this Arctic front along the way will, as I said, bring maybe a couple of inches of snow, perhaps as much as 3 to 5 inches in Chicago, southern Wisconsin, eastern Illinois, and west central Missouri, more like 1 to 3 there. But as I mentioned, and the point of this really is to let you know that this Arctic front spills almost due south and brings some winter weather to places like Texas and Arkansas and northern Louisiana on Monday night, with a shot at some snow and or mixed precipitation there, with some freezing rain maybe thrown in as well. So overall on Tuesday, we'll see some snow on the map all the way from southern Texas through the mid-south. Likewise in central, say, the Tennessee Valley, there'll be some snow. Notice the front will be here. A lot of this will be happening behind it. That's where the forcing for ascent, or the lift in the atmosphere, will be behind that very shallow Arctic front, which will be sliding that way. So the precip will be lagging behind it in the cold air. It looks like on Tuesday it kind of fractures a bit, right? We had that nice long line on Monday and Tuesday, but on Tuesday night, some of it will be up here across parts of the Virginia and Carolina central areas there, and also along the southern Gulf Coast. Yes, winter there as well. That's your Tuesday night. And for how much snow along that boundary as it slides southward, we're going to get probably 1 to 3, not as much as you'll see up north, but still 1 to 3 inches in northern Louisiana, right? East Texas, maybe northern Mississippi, and also some snow showers for sure, we think, in North Georgia, including Atlanta on Tuesday night. So although we may not accumulate more than a dusting, think about that if you're planning for schools on Wednesday morning in northern Alabama, in northern Georgia, maybe even western South Carolina, with some snow showers on Tuesday night, maybe throwing a dusting around that could make roads very slippery, even though official accumulations may be negligible. Maria, back to you.
Dr. Postel, thank you so much. And you can't have all that snow without some good old-fashioned cold air. And we've got that next punch coming, but it's plenty cold now, right? 6 in Minneapolis, Chicago at 13, Detroit 18, Cincinnati, the Queen City, 16 right now. But the other component, as always, with some cold air is that wind chill factor. And many of us will stay close to zero, single digit to below zero wind chill straight on through tomorrow morning, including Bismarck at 36 below zero, Minneapolis 20 below zero. And that doesn't get any better as we get into Tuesday, as we watch that next bout of Arctic air slide to the south. Chicago, boy, we've got it the steady, right? Average high 31 degrees. We're nowhere near that. In fact, on Wednesday, waking up to single digits and highs only into the low 20s. Paul?
Well, straight ahead on Weekend Recharge, a rough start.